In this question, they give you frequency distribute table. That means for this group, we have 8 times appear. For this group, we have 4 times appear, something like that. And then another table is another item, is cumulative frequency. That not only one group, but include all the previous group. For example, 0.35 less than that means we just count the first group. And the second row, any data which is less than 0.65. That means not only the first group, but we also calculate the second group. So that's why it's called cumulative. The third row here, 0.95 less than 0.95. That means the first group, second group, also the third group, representing 13. So we can draw some conclusion. A here, if we only count the first group, we have 2 data, which means that the number in this group is 2. A is 2. After that, in the second row, 0.65 before that is x. That means the first group together with the second group, the total is equal to this value. So this is equal to 2 plus 4, which is 6. If we count extra group, that means plus b, it will give us 13. So this is equal to 6 plus b. Therefore, b is equal to 13 minus 6, we get 7. Similar reason, 6 plus b, that means 13. We count extra group c is equal to y. Y is equal to 13 and then plus c. But in this equation, we have 2 unknowns, so we don't make any conclusion here. We focus on the next group. From here, we count one more group, extra group. We get 37. So this is equal to y plus 15. So we can get what is y. Therefore, y is equal to 37 minus 15. Y is 22. Finally, from 37, we get extra 3 will become c. So this is 37 plus 3. C is equal to 40. So that's how we get all x, y, and z. X is just equal to 2. Y is calculated from this relation. Y plus 15 give you 37. Y plus 15 give you 37. And finally, C is equal to 37 plus 3, which is equal to 40. At the same time, our cumulative frequency table will include all the data. So C here representing the total number. We have 40 data here. And then part B, if a plant is randomly selected from the garden, find the probability that the height of selected plant is less than this, but not less than this. That means between 0.65 to 1.25. So we search which group of data fulfill our requirement. Larger than 0.65, that means the third group, we count it. The fourth group, we count it also. But the fifth group, 1.3, is already too high. So that's why we just count these 2 groups. The required probability is equal to our target divided by our total number. Our target is B plus C, and our total is 40. We already know B is 7 based on the calculation in the very beginning. And then we also need to find C. Y is 22, don't forget it, this is 13. So 13 extra how many will give you 22, which is 9. So this section is 9. (16/40). Then we simplify our answer, which gives us 2/5. Or you may write 0.4. Some notes or some textbook may ask you to use 22 subtract 6 here, which is exactly the same as getting the sum of these 2 groups. So I think this is easier to understand. That's why I get B and C independently.